Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day. And today we're going to be using the Morphe Boss Mood palette again. I am loving this palette again, and I love me some greens. Anything to make my greens pop as well. And I thought this look was perfect for fall. Yeah, we're gonna get ready to get started. As always, we're going to start off by priming our lids and dancing, of course. I wish you guys could hear my music because it would totally take you back to your 7th grade self, I'm sure, if you're my age. 32. So, Milani eyeshadow primer, and we're gonna start with this Morphe Boss Mood palette. Yes, love this palette. And look at the beautiful shades. You can do colorful looks, neutral looks, glam looks, all kinds of looks. So first shade we're taking is Hello Sunshine, and this is on a not fluffy crease brush, but a more dense crease brush, if that makes sense. Almost pencil-like brush, but with a little bit more flex to it, and borderline fluffy blending brush. Does that make sense? Anyways, we're placing this shade in our crease. I'm going to build that up. I'm going to go over it at least 2 times with the Hello Sunshine shade and just place that in the crease messily and get it in there, because it doesn't matter in the end. This is a transition shade and it's going to lay the barrier for our rest of our shades. And we're using Nudetude and Express Yourself, and we're doing a combination of those two mixed together for our outer corner. Now this is a pencil brush that I'm putting it on here, and we're really going to work that in our outer corner, bringing it slightly about halfway into our crease. We're really going to work that in our outer corner, build that up. And I always say this in my videos, it's not because these eyeshadows are not pigmented, because they really are nice and pigmented and creamy, but it's like salt and pepper. I know I always use this analogy as well. It's easier to add a little, you know, to get where you're going, to work towards the taste that you want, versus too much and you can't take away. So the next shade we were taking is called Bold Moves, and that is our lid shade. I'm taking this on a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to do a combination of kind of patting, placing, and dragging the shade where I want it on the lid up into the crease. And literally we have our shades placed. Nothing is blended yet, but now we're going to start our blending process. So we're going to blend Express Yourself and Nudetude with the Bold Moves eyeshadow, and then I'm going to go back in with the Hello Sunshine brush, no additional product, and blend the edges of Express Yourself and Nudetude together. And we're going to add a little bit of darkness to our lower lash line as well. And here I am literally just using Nudetude, I believe, on the lower lash line, just deepening that up, and it goes along with, you know, kind of like that smoky green we got going on. You can't not do the lower lash line if you're trying to do a smoky look. And then whatever left on the Hello Sunshine brush, I am also taking that along the lower lash line and helping with a gradient there. And then I am taking this incredibly hard LaColors highlighting trio to open, and it's called Enlightened, and these are the duochrome highlighters. And so I am taking the white green duochrome in my inner corner. From the Color Workshop, I'm taking this on a large fluffy shader brush and applying that to the brow bone. We're just going to go over the Hello Sunshine, blending it with the brow bone shade, and just making sure all the shades are meshed together to my liking. They're blended, and I like nice ombre effects. So this eyeliner is from Believe Beauty, and I believe the name is Olivia. And if I'm wrong, it will be in the description box, as well as all the other products. So I'm tightlining with that because it stays in the waterline like no other. It literally is a long-lasting eyeliner. I love it. It's beautiful and green. Then we're taking the LaColors liquid eyeliner just to do our upper lash line really quick. And then I'm using the Supersizer mascara from Covergirl. I'm going to do 2 coats of that on my lashes. And the eyes are done. So for lips, I'm taking a Velvet Mousse liquid lipstick from Hard Candy, and I'm also going to apply, I don't know the name of it, LaColors Iridescent Holographic Lip Gloss in Heavenly, and I am just going to give that a gloss. But here's our finished look. Isn't it lovely? It's so pretty. I'm loving that nude lip combo as well. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, found it helpful. Well, stay tuned for more videos. Check the description box for additional links and product lists, you guys. And also, I want to say thank you for always watching, liking, commenting, subscribing. Thank you so much. Don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss any other content. Thanks again for watching.